Baking soda for acid reflux. Gastro Esophageal Reflux Disease, or acid reflux, is a chronic digestive condition in which stomach acids regurgitate upward into the esophagus, causing burning sensations in the chest accompanied with other symptoms: bloating, belching, sore throat, snoring, difficulty breathing. Acid reflux has a number of triggers, including spicy, oily, and fatty foods, citrus fruits and juices, chocolate, and many others. A heartburn is a burning discomfort that happens just behind the lower part of the sternum, breastbone, that usually related to spasm of the lower end of the esophagus or of the upper part of the stomach. It is a symptom that is associated with acid reflux. There are plenty of commercial treatments available for heartburn, but their effects are short-lived and they come with unwanted side effects. Why spend money on those when you can use a safe, effective, inexpensive treatment for acid reflux you probably already have on hand? Baking soda gets rid of heartburn fast. Let's take a look at how it works. What is baking soda? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline compound with slightly alkaline taste that is used in many things like making of effervescent salts and beverages, pharmaceuticals, artificial mineral water and fire extinguishers. It is also called as bicarbonate of soda. Here in this article, we are going to learn about how baking soda helps to treat the heartburn with its natural properties. Does baking soda help acid reflux? Baking soda neutralizes stomach acids and detoxifies the digestive system to relieve heartburn, indigestion, and upset stomach. Because it is alkaline, it restores the acid-alkaline balance within the digestive system, treating and preventing acid reflux. Baking soda balances the pH levels in the bloodstream. How to use baking soda to treat acid reflux. Baking soda is one of the most effective remedies and can be used in many ways. Follow these methods to relieve from the acid reflux. 1. Baking soda and water. Stir 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink it. Drink regularly to get relief from acid reflux. For faster relief, use 1/2 cup water and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Drink this whenever you suffer with acid reflux. Do not use this treatment if you're suffering from continuous acid reflux problem because it increases blood pressure, nausea and swelling. 2. Baking soda with honey. This process helps to reduce the burning sensation as honey gives relief from the acid reflux. Process: stir 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of raw honey in a cup of warm water. Stir well until baking soda dissolve completely and drink it. Do this whenever you have acid reflux. The honey will relieve burning sensations. 3. Baking soda with lemon. Stir 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice in a cup of warm water. Drink this regularly to reduce acid reflux. 4. Baking soda with apple cider vinegar. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into 200 milliliters of water. Stir well and drink it 2 to 3 times a day on empty stomach. Follow this not more than 5 days. For severe acid reflux, use 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of apple cider. Drink apple cider vinegar solutions for acid reflux through a straw to prevent erosion of tooth enamel. 5. Baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice. Stir 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice into a glass of water. Drink slowly to get relief from acid reflux. Drink regularly. 6. Baking soda with cream of tartar. Take equal quantities, that is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and cream of tartar. Mix it well in a glass of water, and the cream of tartar or baking soda has to be mixed properly. Finally, take a teaspoon of this solution whenever you suffer from heartburn for immediate relief from it. Tips and precautions: when used in excess, baking soda can cause gas, abdominal distension, nausea, belching, discomfort, and pain. Prolonged use of baking soda can result in overneutralization of stomach acid and improper functioning of the digestive system. Use baking soda treatments for 2 weeks or less. Because it contains sodium, baking soda treatments can raise blood pressure. Take baking soda only in recommended doses. Excessive use can cause diarrhea. Don't confuse baking soda with baking powder. Adults should consume no more than 6 glasses of baking soda solution in 24 hours, the elderly should use no more than 3, and children under age 5 should not use them at all. Baking soda solutions work best when taken on an empty stomach or 3 hours after eating. While using baking soda treatments, take vitamin B, folic acid, and chromium supplements. Let the fizz die down before drinking baking soda solutions, as it can cause heartburn. If you experience unexpected side effects, consult a doctor immediately. Avoid drinking alcohol, smoking, and eating spicy, salty, or fatty foods.